introduce you to our latest LED display screen featuring cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance. Let's take a closer look. First off, our LED display has a cabinet size of 16:9, making it perfect for high-definition content. Whether you're showcasing videos, advertisements, or presentations, this aspect ratio ensures your content looks stunning. Hard links and gold-plated connectors to ensure reliable connections. Plus, it supports dual backup for both power and signal, so you can count on uninterrupted performance, even in critical situations. One of the standout features is its support for flash intelligent storage and centralized control software. This makes managing content both easy and reliable. Imagine being able to control all your displays from a single interface. It's that simple. In short, this means you get a display that not only looks fantastic, but also performs reliably under any conditions. It's ideal for advertising, events, and presentations. Thank you for watching. For more information or a demo, please contact us.